Hi all, welcome to Encode Decode. So today we are going to see a Leetcode question named today's daily challenge. Named question named as some root to leaf numbers. So let's go through the problem statement. It says that you are given the root of a binary tree containing digits from 0 to 9 only. Each root to leaf path in the tree represents a number. For example, the root to leaf path is 1, 2, 3 represents the number 1, 2, 3. Okay. Return the total sum of all root to leaf numbers. Test cases are generated so that answer will fit in a 32-bit integer. A leaf node is a node with no children. Okay. So I'll give you a brief about this question. So basically the question is saying that let's suppose uh, let's take this example only. Let's take the example. So here we are having a tree as 1, 2 and 3. Okay. So like one is this node, this one, then 2 and then 3. So let's suppose we are at this node, that is the root node 1. So the root to leaf path for the left subtree will be 1, 2, and similarly the root to leaf path, like one path is this. You can say that one path is this, like this is one path, and one path is this, like this. So it is 1 and 3, and similarly we will return both of them to the root node, like this here and this here. So here the total sum will be 12 plus 13, that is 25. So 25 will be the sum root to leaf nodes. So we need to return the sum root to leaf nodes for all the paths, for every path which is from starting from the root node till the leaf node. We need to take that path and we need to sum up all the paths and return them. That is the question. So we'll go with the basic approach, like we'll go with the simple approach, like we'll use this particular formula, like s is the sum we are storing, and here s will be s into, like we know that how to generate a, like form a number from the digits. So s into 10 plus the current root value, like whichever node we are there, so its value will add it. So dot node dot val. So this is the formula. So like we are at node, like we'll start traversing from this particular node, like root, and if we are at 1, so like 1 into 10 plus, like initially s will be 0. We'll start from s equals to 0. Just a second. So here we'll start from s equals to 0 into 10 plus plus 1. So it will give us 1. So s is now 1. Now we'll check we are at the root node and we'll check if the left exists. So here the left is there and we'll go on to 2. So now this will be simply, it will be updated as 1, like s is now 1. S is equals to 1. So now this will be 1 into 10. 1 into 10 plus the root node. So it will be 12. Simply using this formula, like for the left node we'll get 12. So the path here is 12, like we are getting 12 from here, like this particular path is 12 from root to left. Now we'll see that the current node is a leaf node, like it's the left and right, both are none. So we'll simply return 12 to the root node. So we'll return 12 over here. Now we'll check, like we'll go on to the root node and we'll see if the right exists. So like once right is there, like it is 3. So simply we are going to again move the root node to here, and now our node will be 3. Now we'll use the formula, and like s is equals to 1. Initially s is 1. So we'll have 1 into, so s is 1 and 1 into 10 plus 3. 3 is the root dot value. So now we'll have it as 13. So it is giving 13. So now from here we'll be returning 13 to the root node, because 3's left and right both are null. So we'll simply return 13 to the root node. Now here we'll simply add both the left path sum and the right path sum, and it will be 25. So the answer will be 25. 25. So now let's see the coding part and you will get to understand it better what we are doing. So we'll say that def traverse root comma current sum. We'll see that if root is none, we'll simply return 0. We'll check if root dot left equals to none and root dot right is equals to none. We'll return the current sum simply. Now we'll simply return traverse root dot left comma current sum plus traverse root dot right comma current sum, because at the end we are simply returning the, like if we are at a leaf node, its left and right child is none, we are simply returning the current sum till that position. So we'll simply return traverse root dot left current sum and the traverse root dot right current sum. So this will be the final answer. Okay, now we'll call the function here as return traverse root comma 0. We'll pass the root node and the current starting value of current sum as 0. Let's check the sample test cases. Oh, it's getting wrong answer. Okay, I missed the formula one step. So current sum is equals to current sum into 10 plus root dot val. We missed on this. Now it will work fine, I guess. Yes, sample tests are running fine. Now we'll submit the code and it's getting accepted. So the basic logic is that we need to traverse every question, every node, and we need to generate all the paths. Like we'll have all the paths from root to left, root to right, and we'll need to sum up all the left and right paths sum, and we from root to leaf, and we'll return them. So that's all for this question, and thank you all.